Aloha, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, Beautiful Butterflies. We're using a strawberry slush ink and cardstock. This here is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. This is a scrap of basic white for stamping and die cutting. This here is basic white cut at 3 3/4 by 5, and a card base will be basic white cut at 5 1/4 by 8 1/2. I'm sorry, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. We are making 2 cards today. Let's go ahead and get to our stamping. I am stamping the butterflies on here for die cutting. Let's do it like that, like that. Like that. Cute, cute. And then this, I'm gonna go ahead and burnish my fold. Like that. And then I am gonna stamp on the front of the card before we emboss, just so I can see where I want it. And I'm pulling it a little closer to me, just right there, because if I didn't like how I stamped it, I could turn it over, right? 2 sides. Like, let's turn this over just to demonstrate that. 2 sides to each card stock. And now, is there something on here? Yeah, something on there. So we'll stick to the front, or the first side I did. And let's go ahead and stamp the inside. And how about I stamp this butterfly like right here, and then take happy birthday and stamp it right next to it. And I'll try to be straight. Let's do the next one. And I'm stamping first because if I don't like it, guys, I'm gonna turn it inside out. Now let's see how I do here. I like it, you guys. I like it. Okay. And what we need to do then is get our Stampin' and Cut Emboss. I'll get the mini out. We're going to be using our Glass and Gardens embossing folders, number 165597. Can you see that? And we're going to be using the roses. Love it. There's 2 different designs in here. I'm going to take the cardstock. I'm going to put it inside of my embossing folder. I am lining up the edge of my cardstock to this black line, and you can see where the design is going because you can see through the embossing folder. I am putting it within my plates. Here's plate 1, plate 2. Okay, my cardstock design, and another plate 2. Let's see if it fits inside. Oh, it does not fit in here. Hold on while I get my bigger machine. Sorry about that, guys. I went ahead and did it off screen, but as you can see that I did emboss it here with the embossing folder. What I did was I had the embossing folder and I lined it up here on the side and closed it and ran it through the machine. while I had the machine out, I also cut out my butterflies. But we are ready to put our card together, you guys. Let's go ahead and do that. Open up our glue here. Oops, I don't know if I do. I was gonna say, I don't think I got glue in there. Or was that the last of it? I better get another one. Hold on. Although, let's share some of that though. And then we can go ahead. Oh, I hope I don't get messy. Center on the top of the card. And then this one. Checking, making sure it's the right way. And then we're just gonna go ahead and glue this right on top of that. The deboss side looks nice too, huh? Can you tell the difference? Okay, let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals for our butterflies. Taking off the backing. Hoi, hoi. Butterflies flying away. And just put them on there. Just like that. And I wanted to get out my 2025 to 2027 in color water-based markers, Stampin' Up markers. And I'm going to use the thinner 0.5 bullet tip and not the brush tip. And you can see this is a thicker line, this is a thinner line. So the brush tip is on the thinner line side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put a couple of dots here and there just for some interest. Yeah, just like that. Then I'm gonna grab some rhinestones and put some rhinestones on there too. there we have it, guys. How do you like it? This is our card. Just to show some of that strawberry slush. Love it. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!